Truck
What's
cooking
up,
with the
y'all? Sorry.
TRUCKERSLIFE78 creamy Cajun style
On
pasta.
YouTube. Yeah, y'all, that's my actual cousin. But hey, we got to get this going. I need to cook so I can get some sleep. But hey, we got some andouille sausage. Put that down. Of course, went to Subway, got some onions. I just didn't want to get pieces like this in there. Or this. That's why I was fingering it. Ain't no pause there. I like to do my thing. Then we're gonna put bell peppers also from Subway. Put these in. There we go. We got Old Bay the hot seasoning from Old Bay. Good amount of that in there. And we got sea salt. And of course, the white pepper. We're gonna get this cooked down. Oh, forgot an important thing, obviously, a little bit of fluid. Of course, we're going into my oils that I infused. Have to get another one going. There we go. Ooh, you can smell the habanero. Ooh, that burns. And we're gonna get these peppers sauteed up, all this stuff sauteed and cooked down, and get it going. All right, y'all, we back. We got the scrimps, of course, super colossal. Put them straight in. You don't want them stacked on top of each other, so got to spread them out. Put them directly on the heat. And we're gonna put some more of this Old Bay directly on the shrimp. There it is. And we got the Tony Sassery, the Tonys. Put that on there. We're gonna let this cook. I'm not gonna cover it. We're gonna let it cook. Okay, we just put about half a stick of butter in because it was starting to dry out a little bit. So we want to cook the shrimp and all this flavor. Trust me, we about to step it up, y'all. We're not done yet. Far from it, actually, to be honest. I'm just flipping the shrimp now. Let them get that beautiful color on them. If y'all know me, y'all know I love my shrimp. I ain't got enough money right now for no lobster, so I just got some Walmart shrimp. There we go. Let that cooked down. And all right, y'all, we back. We got some fresh diced tomatoes. Putting that in. We got some fresh sliced mushrooms. Put this in. We're gonna let these cook down. Let these cook. Of course, we're mixing everything together now. We're going to cover this. Now we'll cover it and let these vegetables steam. Well, mainly mushrooms steam and release a lot of their moisture. You know, blend in with the flavor. All right, y'all. We're going to put a little bit of flour in. A little bit of flour. I don't want it to be too thick, but we're gonna make a roux before we put the liquids in. Okay, we're gonna take some milk. We're gonna take some sour cream. Put that in now. Give it extra creaminess and that little flavor that I love. This, just mix it around, get all these flavors incorporated. Then while that's getting to where it needs to go, this is where we do this. Take the spinach, also from Subway. Put in. Mix around, get it in there. Then we take some Parmesan, sprinkle some on top. Sprinkle it in there. This will help thicken the sauce as well, but also give it some flavor. All right, y'all. We got the pasta in the bowl. Now we just got to scoop this up. Right on top. Go. Y'all tell me what y'all think. That's dinner, and I'm gone.